Please be an official supporter of Sushi-chan Japanese School. If you become a supporter as a token of my gratitude, I will send monthly original vocabulary list, monthly original kanji list, and you can take the Patreon-only exclusive private lessons. Please see the description section below on my channel. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Hello, こんにちは. It's Sushi-chan. How are you doing? Last time we learned how to change i-adjectives when you want to connect several adjectives in one sentence. Then, how about na-adjectives and nouns? Let's learn that today. Are you ready? Let's get started. If you want to connect several adjectives or nouns in one sentence, you can use this. It's very simple. Just add de after na-adjectives or nouns. Let's take a look at some examples. This room is quiet and spacious. Room means 部屋. Quiet means 静か. Spacious means 広い. If you want to say this sentence in Japanese, you can say この部屋は静かで広いです。この部屋は静かで広いです。You cannot say この部屋は静か、広いです。As we just learned, we may need to add で after an adjective. In this case, 静か is an adjective. So you may want to add で after 静か. Let's check another sentence. Ben is novelist and doctor. Novelist is 小説家. Doctor means 医者 in Japanese. If you want to say this sentence in Japanese, you can say ベンは小説家で医者です。ベンは小説家で医者です。Novelist, 小説家 is a noun. So, as I said, you need to add で after 小説家 before putting it here. Great job, everyone! Homework time! Please review this rule very well. In the homework checking video, I want you guys to make several sentences. Thank you very much for watching. If you are interested in my private lessons, please check the link on my Patreon page below. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe button. That way, you won't miss any future lessons. See you soon! Bye bye!